duet comes to us from Waynesboro,
Mississippi.
Mississippi, where they have crawdads and
Stuff.
what's that you said about a toupee?
Crawfish etouffee.
Yeah,
Do they have that in North Carolina?
we ain't in North Carolina.
But you're from there. Yeah. Anyway, these kids I heard today for the first time, and they're 14 and 16 years old, been singing harmony since they were 9 and 11.
Yeah. Kelly Crabb called and she said, I've got two youngins you folks just have to hear. She said, would you just let them come and sing one song? And then she sent us a tape. And she also said Jeff Easter would vouch for them. And when she said that, we didn't know if that'd be a good idea or not. But she sent the tape, and we got it, and we heard a song, and we figured you folks would enjoy more than just one song. So bring them on,
Yeah.
Annie and Kelly McRae.
Given a place to begin, a place to tell all the world about Jesus. We'll tell it to a few close friends. And you'd be terrific if you could just travel and had a lot of money to spend. You wish that you were a natural born leader. We'll tell it to a few close friends. Recommend. You can tell it to the world at your doorstep. Tell it to a few close friends. You're ready to set the world on fire just as soon as your ship comes in. Why don't you get your act together and tell it to a few close friends? Don't worry about the questions and problems. Let the Spirit show you where and when. Relax and let your love do the talking, and start with just a few close friends. You can tell it right where you're living. You got Jesus to recommend. You can tell it to the world at your doorstep. Tell it to a few close friends. You can tell it right where you're living. You've got Jesus to recommend. You can tell it to the world at your doorstep. Tell it to a few close friends. Tell it to a few close friends. Tell it to a few close friends. Tell it to a few close friends.
I'm so glad tonight that His mercy still flows and it can still save and change lives. Now listen to this song and let it minister to your heart.
On a rugged hill just outside Jerusalem, the chill of death was heavy in the air. The sun refused to shine, the earth she trembled, and God turned His back on a sight He couldn't bear. As His only Son, that sinless one called Jesus, hung His head and gave Him to that hellish crowd. Through His tears He cried out, Father, please forgive Him, as the blood spilled from His body to the ground, and mercy flowed mercy flows yet today. If you're struggling in the grip of fear and failure, and somehow you've broken every vow you ever made, it seems you lose each time you wrestle with temptation, and you feel you don't deserve to make the grade. And if it seems you're trapped inside the burning wreckage of a life that's been destroyed by past mistakes, listen, oh, the grace of God, it can reach you, it'll save and it will change you, 'cause mercy built a bridge to heaven's gate, and mercy flowed from the foot of Calvary. Precious blood, amazing grace, that crimson river, it flowed to wash all our sins away. Mercy flows yet today. That crimson river, it flowed to wash our sins away. And mercy flows yet today.
Annie and Kelly McRae, ladies and
Yeah.
gentlemen.
Great, girls.
That is wonderful. Mercy flows yet